Yeah, mate, we're going fishing, mate.
Secret fishing hole, mate. Can't tell anyone.
So today I've managed to convince Steve to come out fishing with me. We're just at this beautiful bay and we're gonna clamber down these rocks and hopefully try and get a GT or something to eat. But there's also plenty of wildlife around at the moment. There's cassowaries and sharks and
turtles.
Yeah, it's a pretty good day. I'm hoping to get film of some turtles as well. But beautiful blue water, it's perfect for fishing. Come on, JT. Starting with small Rapala, heavy gear. Just seeing lots of bait around. Starting with small Rapala. Trying to get a GT or a 22. Struggling a bit today, it's really hot.
There's a turtle joining us too. Right under me, this turtle. No, I missed it. Again. Here we go. What's this out here? That's sick. There's so much stuff going on. What did we just see, mate?
Rubbish. The turtles can eat.
Oh, lovely.
Make sure you get rid of your rubbish. A lot of fishermen tend to leave it behind. Whoops.
Is that our bag floating in the water? Kyle just gave up for the day and then all this bait's just come in. Now he's got to go again. We're trying to catch a GT. Get Kyle!
He's got a nice land-based coral trout.
Oh, how beautiful is that?
Came out of nowhere. This is going to be an epic feed.
Oh, that is so good.
Oh, yes.
Oh,
I'm so happy with it. That's almost just as good as a GT.
oh,
Look how pretty it is. Alright,
so pretty.
should we... Beautiful red colours on this fish. But I've bled it and it's lost a lot of its colours, but perfect size eating coral trout. Not too big and not too small. It's fat.
Yeah, nice.
Look at that meat.
That's gonna be grouse.
Grouse, motherfucking grouse.
That's gonna be grouse. And how cool is this? There's a brown tree snake living out on my veranda. It's left a slough here last night. Why did you kill me, Kyle? Why? Why? I had fish children. Can I get a doggy bag? There's still some flesh around the eye I would like to pick at.
I'm just feeling along that spine there with the tip. I hate doing filleting videos because I'm not that good. And then I see like terrible people make filleting videos and it's embarrassing. But I'm not that good. I'm okay. But beautiful, nice white fillet. Bit crumbly meat, but it's going to be the tastiest fish. Good feed for all three of us. So I like to make a little hole on the skin, on the tail flap here, just so I can cut away from myself with the fillet. So I'll go down. It's not a very big hole. I like to get all the way in there like that. It's just a little trick I like to use. Right. So I'm just lightly flouring the trout. Steve's can't eat most things, so we've got some potato flour here, which should be pretty nice. We've got one more thing.
Pretty good.
Just a bit of pepper. With tasty fish, you don't really need to overdo anything. Like, don't bother crumbing, or I mean, you can if you want, but I just like to do it basic. A tiny bit of butter, a bit of pepper, and a tiny bit of flour.
And what we chucking in? Some lemon myrtle for flavour. Do you like a piece of fish, mate? You're not going to get any. Not today.
Just about to cook this fish now. I'm just going to add a little bit of oil. Don't need to add too much. I just add maybe a little bit more than that. Just a little splash, and then I swirl it around a bit just to get that pan not so sticky.
And Kyle, are you meant to use like camp stoves inside?
Oh well, you know, I'm pretty poor, so this is what I have to resort to. Just let that pan heat up just a little bit, and then we've got some fresh lemon myrtle that Steve picked for me from the garden. So I'm just gonna crunch that all up, just chuck it in. That's gonna give the fish a bit of a nice lemon flavour. It's very strong.
It's like a sweet lemon.
Spread that around.
Salad, mate.
I've just lightly floured it, just put a bit of pepper on, and that's basically it. Time to add it to the lemon myrtle.
Is that meant to sizzle?
It's about to. There you go, you can hear it sizzling away now. These thicker pieces are going to take a bit longer.
Oh, that smells so good.
Nice fresh lemons from the garden. Just squeeze a tiny bit of lemon on. Don't need too much. Save this for later. And just one more thing, tiny bit of butter.
Air frying some chips there.
Almost flipped the fish. Looking good.
I'm getting so hungry.
Me too.
Yeah, give me chips, mate. Chippy? Chippy, mate.
Do you want big ones too?
Yeah, mate.
How good does that look?
Oh, lovely. Bit crumbly, but
Crumbly. That's what you know. It's nice and cooked. It's actually crumbly meat. Alright, let's see what this coral trout tastes like. It'll be pretty hot. Delicious. It's beautiful. Oh, Steve's gonna like that.
squeeze the lemon on.
Is this your first coral trout?
First one not from a restaurant, put it that way. It's my go-to fish in a restaurant. Oh.
Oh.
The dog can
Get a
have
bit
a little
chunk.
bit. Oh my goodness.
So much better fresh, isn't it?
That's even better than at a restaurant. Top stuff, Kyle.
Cheers, man.
Mmm.